Hey everyone, if you're in the USA and need to send money to Canada, you're in the right spot. Whether it's for family support, business payments, or just splitting costs with friends, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think, but there are a few key things to know to avoid fees and delays. First, let's cover your main options. The most straightforward way is a direct bank transfer. Log into your US bank's online portal, select International Transfer, and enter the recipient's Canadian bank details, like their account number and SWIFT code. This usually takes 1 to 5 business days, but fees can range from $15 to $50, so check your bank's rates first. If you want something faster and often cheaper, try online services like Wise or PayPal. With Wise, sign up for free, link your US bank account or debit card, enter the amount in USD, and specify the Canadian recipient. They use the real mid-market exchange rate, which means you save on hidden fees. PayPal works similarly, just link accounts and send. These options are quick, often processing in minutes to hours. For urgent needs, consider services like Western Union or MoneyGram. You can do this online or at a physical location. Provide the recipient's details, pay the amount plus any fees, which might be higher, around 5 to 10% of the transfer, and get a tracking number. It's ideal for same-day delivery. A few pro tips. Always compare exchange rates using tools like Google or Z.com to get the best deal. Double-check all information to prevent errors, and be aware of any daily transfer limits on your account. Security is key. Use two-factor authentication and only deal with reputable services. In summary, sending money from the USA to Canada is simple once you pick the right method. Start with what's most convenient for you, and you'll be set. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching.